Hi everyone. On Chrome, Google Lens now lets you select and search any area of a web page, an experience similar to Circle to Search on mobile devices. Although image search, Google Lens, has been available on the desktop from any browser through the Google search page for a long time, Google Chrome now integrates a new Lens button that uses AI to easily select, search, and ask questions about anything from a web page. Use these steps. First, open Chrome and type the following path in the address bar and press Enter to open the Flags experimental settings. Next, use the Lens overlay setting on the right and select the enabled option and click the Relaunch button. Next, open any website and click the address bar and click the Google Lens button. Next, click the Continue button to allow the feature to use Google to process the image. Once you complete the steps, the browser is ready to use Google Lens with AI to Circle to Search on Windows 11, 10, macOS, or Linux.
If you're watching my video for the first time, please make sure to grab the subscribe button to get the thumbs up and turn on your notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.